Here's your Storm Track 7 forecast.
Good afternoon, I'm Storm Track 7 meteorologist Joshua Franson, and a warmer, a little bit more humid day on tap for today with storms later on. And well, that is a change in the forecast compared to what we've had. We were a little bit cooler over the past few days. We warmed up a little bit yesterday, but we're going to get even warmer today. One thing that's not changing is the haze at the surface. Wildfire smoke is expected to remain, though at thin amounts may cause a slight dip in air quality, and as we head over the next few hours and into tomorrow, it seems like it's going to remain to generate haze. But now we're going to talk about the winds and how they're going to influence our storm potential later in the day. Note your wind directions here. Generally out of the southwest and south, they shift out of the east as we head into the evening. Well, that's a stationary front setting up across our area, which will serve as the focus for some thunderstorms. So heading into the afternoon, will remain partly cloudy to mostly sunny. Then that front will set up along Highway 20, and storms will form along and north of Highway 20. Those will continue into the overnight hours and then generally drift a little bit northward as we head into the morning. Decreasing coverage will receive a slight pause in the rain before more isolated showers and storms are possible later in the day tomorrow. Now, we're not expecting any widespread severe weather with these storms tonight, but you could see an isolated strong storm capable of producing some stronger wind gusts and, of course, some hail. We'll also expect to see heavy rain across our northern counties tonight. But temperatures today getting into the upper 80s and lower 90s. Dew points will be in the 60s, so it'll be quite humid. And then tonight we drop off into the lower 60s. Rain and storms is likely across northern counties. Tomorrow, storm chances are a lot more isolated. Temperatures still warm in the upper 80s. Areas northward, you may sit in the upper 70s, but still, it'll be a warmer day. We'll have a little bit of sunshine before some isolated showers and storms. Dew points expected to be on the more mild side tomorrow as well. It will feel slightly humid as we'll be in the mid-60s. We'll receive a slight dip heading into the weekend, but still, temperatures and dew points combined can cause that air to feel a little bit sticky outside. So on your city-by-city forecast for Friday, we'll see temperatures get into the 80s as well. And then as we head into the weekend, a slight cool down, falling off into the lower 80s with partly cloudy conditions, a little bit more dry. For another storm chance on Monday and Tuesday, both chances are isolated and should be fairly sparse throughout next week.